नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। और फ्रेंड्स, पिछले कई महीनों से रिकवरी ऑफ कम्यूटेशन के बारे में बात चल रही है। जब से पंजाब हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट का जजमेंट आया, बैंकों में भी जागरूकता आई और हमारे कई लोग ग्रुप्स में स्टेट वाइज हाई कोर्ट को अप्रोच किया और उनको इंटरिम रिलीफ मिली। ऐसा ही एक आदेश गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉइज के लिए कैट मुंबई ने दिया। Victory for pensioners, recovery of commutation of pension ends after 12 years. CAT Mumbai Interim order grants pensioner major relief. CAT Mumbai Interim order. The Central Administrative Tribunal CAT Mumbai has granted interim relief to a group of pensioners from the Department of Post, directing the authorities to stop recovering the commuted portion of their pension after they have completed 12 years of the retirement. The applicants contended that the commuted amount of their pensions has already been recovered within 12 years and further recovery beyond this period is unwarranted. They cited recommendations from the 5th Central Pay Commission which suggested reducing the restoration period of commuted pension to 12 years. They also pointed out precedents where state government such as Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh implemented similar reductions in the recovery period. The respondents opposed the plea, stating that the pensioner have voluntarily opted for commutation. Fully aware of the 15 years recovery rule under Rule 10A of the CCS, Commutation of Pension Rules 1981. They also argued that challenging this statutory rule after more than 4 decades was barred by limitation. The tribunal, however, observed that the respondents had not provided a convincing explanation as to why recovery should continue beyond 12 years if the commuted pension is already recovered. It noted that the similar interim relief had been granted in other cases, including by the Punjab and Haryana High Court, where such recovery was deemed excessive. As a result, the CAT Mumbai ordered the cessation of the further recovery for specific applicants who have completed 12 years since their retirement. The matter is scheduled for further hearing on December 19, 2024. Summary of the case. जो केस किया गया था उसकी क्या समरी थी? OA number 860/2024. A group of pensioners from the Department of Post and filed an original application before the Central Administrative Tribunal CAT Mumbai, seeking interim relief regarding the recovery of commuted pension. The applicants argue that recovery should cease after 12 years of the retirement instead of currently prescribed 15 years under Rule 10A of the CCS Rules 1981. Facts in brief. Background क्या था? The applicants retired from the Department of Post and commuted 40% of their pensions. They claim the commuted amount has already been recovered in 12 years. Rule in question. Rule 10A specifies that commuted pensions are restored after 15 years from the date of commutation. Justification presented to stop recovery of commutation of pension. 5th Pay Commission recommended reducing the restoration period to 12 years. Economic factor. Lower mortality rates and declining interest rates from 16% to 5.4 to 6.5% between 2014 and 24. State government policies. Government of Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh have already reduced the restoration period to 12 and 13 years respectively. Representations rejected. Despite representations by the applicants, their request were denied by the respondents. Calculation to show that commutation of pension recovered within 12 years. Respondent contentions, rule validity. The applicants are challenging a statutory rule that remains valid and has not been struck down by any court. Delay in challenge. The rule was framed in 1981 and the applicant's challenge in 2024 is barred by limitations. Voluntary nature of commutation. Pension commutation is optional and retirees agrees to the 15th year's recovery period upon opting for it. Legal grounds. No case has been made for the rule violating legislative competence of the fundamental rights. Tribunal's interim order. The CAT considered arguments from both sides and observed the following. Admissibility of 12 years. Recovery period. Respondents have not denied that recovery of the commuted pension is generally completed within 12 years. Continuing recovery beyond 12 years when the full amount is already recovered lacks justification. Estoppel does not apply. The doctrine of the estoppel is irrelevant as the government is an advantageous position and has not suffered deterrent. Precedent. The Punjab and Haryana High Court has granted similar interim relief in a comparable case and its decision has not been stayed by the Supreme Court. State versus central rules. Respondents failed to establish significant differences between state and central government rules to justify a differing stance. Interim relief grant. Stop recovery of commutation of pension after 12 years. The tribunal has directed that recovery towards the commuted pension shall cease for application number 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 27 and 39 as they have completed 12 years post-retirement. Further recovery in these cases is barred until further orders. The OA is listed for further hearing on December 1924. CAT मुंबई का ये ऑर्डर बहुत ही सिग्निफिकेंट है और ऐसे केसेस के ऑर्डर्स जैसे कि पंजाब हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट और गुजरात पंजाब एंड अदर दो स्टेट्स ने जो इस तरह से आदेश किए हैं उनके सारे प्रेसिडेंट लेके अगर यूनाइटेड फोरम ऑफ बैंक यूनियन भी इस बारे में IBA से मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फिनांस से बात करे तो जो हमारे बैंकर साथी कोर्ट में बार बार जा रहे हैं किसी को इंटरिम रिलीफ मिल रही है कुछ इंतजार करना पड़ रहा है ऐसे में गवर्नमेंट को चाहिए कि एक यूनिफॉर्म रूलिंग बनाना चाहिए जो कम्यूटेशन पे आधारित हो उस कम्यूटेशन पे जबकि ये प्रूफ हो गया है कि कम्यूटेशन अमाउंट पे गवर्नमेंट अथवा बैंक कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं चार्ज करते हैं तो जब उनका पूरा का पूरा अमाउंट जिस पीरियड में रिकवर हो जाए उसके बाद से रिकवरी नहीं होनी चाहिए लेकिन ये कहाँ का नियम है कि एक बार आपने 15 साल का सेटअप बना दिया तो 15 साल ही आप रिकवर करेंगे कहीं लॉजिक जस्टिफिकेशन होना चाहिए इस बारे में कैट मुंबई ने सारी बातों को ध्यान से देखा और उन प्रेसिडेंटों को देखने के बावजूद ये डिसीजन लिया है और उनको इंटरिम रिलीफ दिया है ये पेंशनर्स की बहुत बड़ी जीत है और इसी तरह से अगर कोर्ट्स अपने जिम्मेदारी निभाते रहे तो आने वाले दिनों में चाहे पेंशनर किसी भी विभाग का हो उसको जरूर राहत मिलेगी। नमस्ते फ्रेंड, थैंक यू, नमस्ते।